You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning marriage in love, essentially a love marriage, so a loving marriage. That would be best translation, I think. Mariage d'amour, that's your French pronunciation here. Mariage d'amour, if you want to say it a bit more in English. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, well, first stay tuned to the channel because we can learn French together. Mariage d'amour. Mariage d'amour. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.